Hi! Today is June 12, 2024, Wednesday. Right after the birthday of Uncle Benny, birthday June 11. And today I went to Costco June 12. Look what I buy. All merienda, all snack. This is the four bean salad. It's like what do you call that? Pickles. Four bean salad. This is buy one get one free. $9 for 2 bottles. 9 times 3, less than $30. Now I buy 2 egg today, $5 each tray. It has 48 pieces egg. So 1 egg is only 20 cents. And now these chips, biggest paste, the biggest package of chips at Costco. And that. This is like less than $9 or $7. So 4 of them, it costs $20. With that 4, which means that one, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, $20 chips. Imagine that snack. And that chocolate candy is $20 also. I am not diabetic, but I would eat those chocolate candy 1 month probably. $20 chocolate. That chocolate, $20 Costco. And now I have breakfast muffin. Buy one get one free for $9. So in one package, 6 muffin, 12 muffin cost $9. And this is all what I shop. This is all $92. Snack only. Now I'm gonna put those down bottle. They might break. Only I put them up high because I'm taking a photo. Okay, 2 minutes and 25 seconds. This is me. Wow, come over. There is a snack. I will eat those bean salad with my hot dog. And then scrambled egg. And then muffin. And then I cook the oatmeal with coconut milk. This will take like 3 minutes. Bye-bye.